Hey everybody, it's the first lesson for the new week, our second week into distance learning, and I thought I'll just start with this. I've set up this little model here, call this the Rainbow Walker. It's a popular little demo. You guys may have done it in elementary school. It shows capillarity. So capillarity is a force that actually can move water the opposite of gravity. And what happens is water is forced into tighter spaces, and when that happens, it gets pushed forwards. See, water likes to stick to the sides of things, which is why teachers have the disgusting habit, and in this day and age more disgusting than ever, of licking their fingers to separate pages. So that's cohesion or surface tension. So water likes to stick to the surfaces. And as it sticks to the surfaces of a little opening, then water sticks to the surfaces that have stuck to those surfaces, and slowly the hole closes and the water pushes the water beneath it forwards. Alright, so a lot of you probably have witnessed this pretty often, especially with paper towels soaking up water. And that's all we have here. I put food coloring in one cup, and the next cup empty, and the next cup food coloring, empty, food coloring, empty. And the colors are basically walking through the paper towel. But what's really happening is the capillarity force is pushing the water forward. All right? And it works best in the smallest spaces. So what does this have to do with the unit we're learning? Groundwater is the water that's stored inside the ground, obviously. And what it relies on is the spaces between particles. So we learned the other day, the smaller the particles, the longer it would take the water to enter it. That's called a process called permeability. So small particles will have a low permeability, but they will have a high capillarity. So not only will it take the water a long time to enter the rock, but the water will actually maybe move the opposite way gravity is trying to pull it. So capillarity will force the water upwards instead of downwards. Alright, I'll do another video on this in a little bit, and I'll show this again tomorrow so you can see this after a whole night, and you actually will see a lot of the water will be brought from one cup to the next, and then from that cup to the next, and so on. And you can definitely try this at home, and if you do, it'll be great if you actually send me a picture. Alright, maybe there'll be a little extra credit in for it if you do that. Alright, have a good night. See you all soon.